And this is the after. Get a good. We have the after the sanding of the journals, and as you can see, journal 1, and that one, journal, we're gonna call that journal 2, but that's not 2.
Drop this down, you'll be able to see it on the video in a few minutes. I'm gonna measure it, and then I got to drop it down because this on the wrong side.
So you can see the difference in the journals from when we started and the difference in them now. That one there, we cleaned. And the one that's being measured was cleaned. That one there was cleaned. And that one was not clean. But 3 out of 4 of the bearings had burnt onto the journals. So we had to get them off, clean them up, and knock them over. So for those of you all who have problems with Kia not wanting to pay for your engine replacement, this is the next best thing to do. If your piston didn't shoot out the side of your engine, like I've seen on a few other vehicles. Okay, now you can see the clean ones a little better. We're measuring it with a micrometer to make sure we get the right size right size bearings. So be back shortly. Work to do.